In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 proven ways to make $200 a day on YouTube. Before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribe, as I will reply and I will get back to you. I'm gonna leave the best one for the last, so make sure you watch the whole video. By the way, all of these are really great ways and proven ways that do really work. So this one, number one, it's sell your own product and services. You know, maybe you are good at something, you have an ebook, or maybe you've created a membership area, or you have a digital product and you can promote on your YouTube channel, and you can do, you know, consulting. You could be, you know, teaching something that you're good at. You know, if you know how to do something, you can build a small course on it and sell it. Oh, and by the way, if you're looking to create your own product, I use this tool where it's where I create my own products, my membership areas, my courses and everything. It's called Builderall. I will leave a $1 trial below if you want to test it out. This is the tool that I recommend for you to sell things online, and you can have upsells and everything. So it's all in one marketing tool where you can get users emails and everything. So second way is sell product placements in your videos. You know, like the commercials that they do on TV, where they, you know, in the middle they have these commercials of you know, companies and products. You could be doing that if you have a good, you know, viewing on YouTube, and that's a great way to also bring that money in. And you know, in your local area, whatever your channel is all about, you can be, you know, putting placements in your video and charging people for that. The third way, it's through advertisement, and this is very well known, and you know, most of big YouTubers use this, is they put ads on their videos with Google AdSense, right? So you can activate this and you can monetize once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time on YouTube. You can apply to have ads show on your videos, and then you can make money through that. That's a great way to monetize as well. The fourth way of doing it, it's through sponsorships. You know, have companies sponsor your video. You know, you can be contacting companies related to what you do on YouTube, and they will sponsor your video, right? And the thing which you could do is, you know, with sponsorship is, you know, they pay you a percentage of the sales. You can make a deal with them like that. And so then you grab a link, and then, you know, you guys can track and see the profit as it comes in. Right? Sponsorships are really, as you grow your YouTube channel, a lot of companies normally come to you and they want to sponsor you. So as you grow with YouTube, normally they will come to you. But if you're just getting started, even small YouTube channels, they're able to do it, because you can go to this business and tell them that you're gonna start doing it, and as you go, you can then grow. And then, because you know, when you promote the same thing over and over and over for a couple of times, people trust it, and then they buy it, right? So sponsorships. Way number 5, it's through donation and fan funding. You know, with Kickstarter, with Patreon, right? How you spell it? Indiegogo. You know, you can raise money and funds from your subscribers, and they are willing to pay to watch different content that you could have. For instance, this famous website, which is Patreon. You know, they'll pay you for you to show behind the scenes footage that you're doing on your YouTube channel. Like, for instance, I know I follow some people on boats, and they travel the world, and they have their Patreons where they have a separate page where patrons can go there and they pay to watch more of their stuff, right? So, you know, you'll be sending them to these pages where you collect money from your subscribers for your patrons, people that are supporting you to do whatever you want to do, if it is whatever it is, right? In this case, they're traveling the world with a sailing boat, and you know, their patrons are supporting them. and therefore you are providing more content that are specific just to them, and you can charge them up to from $1 to $500 for them to join, depending on what they get access to, right? You can even charge for each person, and you can charge monthly even. The possibilities are endless with this, and it's all having a crowd of people, your subscribers, helping you financially do what you want to do on YouTube. And number 6, I'm going to throw this one right here because this one is really effective, which is doing reviews on your YouTube channel to monetize of products, and then linking to those products so people can buy. Because with doing reviews is, a lot of people are searching on YouTube, and they are searching for reviews to see if they want to buy that product or not, if it makes sense. They want to know more about the product. And doing reviews, the good thing about reviews is people are already in buying mode and they're ready to buy, and so you could have the links for the products that you are mentioning on your video, and then people go and they buy and you make a commission, right? And the last one, and I believe this one to be the very best one, is the one that I do. It's affiliate marketing. It's promoting affiliate products and services, and I find to be the very best one. Well, first of all, because you don't have to create the product yourself, so you don't have to spend time on that. You don't have to care about customer service, taking care of returns and things like that. The company does that for you. You don't have to care about delivering the product, fulfilling the product itself, because the company does that. Also, you don't have to care about the sales process of selling the product, like through a funnel or the system to sell. They have everything ready for you. And that's why I freaking love affiliate marketing, because it's about grabbing an affiliate link or of a system, and then you put it in below your videos. You talk on your videos about it, and then you send people to that link, and then they go through it. They learn how to, for instance, make money online through that method. They apply, and they themselves change their lives or change their income if they manage to take massive action and to work hard on it. And at this moment, I've been doing affiliate marketing for some time now, and at this moment I promote 2 main products, and I believe in those products with all of my heart, because first of all, I bought them, and then second of them, I promote them and I make money with them, and they are helping a lot of people make money online as well. Therefore, I recommend. Now, I'm not saying that it's easy, because truthfully, it is not. It takes hard work, it takes consistency, but if you're willing to put in the work, you will eventually do it. Now, I'm gonna leave the 2 methods below this video. Those are my 2 methods. One is with Builderall, and then the second one is with Legendary Marketer. Those links will be below, and you can have links on your videos, right? As you do videos, you build content on things that you like to talk about, and you can be promoting products out there. It doesn't have to be the products that I have in the description. It can be any other product out there, right? You just have to find these products that are affiliate products that you can go ahead and promote it. For instance, just to give an example, ClickBank is a company, a website that has loads of products where you can promote. So you can go there and pick a product and promote these products to make a profit. And so I believe this is the very best way to make money with YouTube, is through affiliate marketing, because it's like you make a sale and you make commissions, and then you don't have to kind of care about anything else. Although myself, I support the people that join the product. I like to support them, because that's what I do, and I love doing it. But it's possible to even just send people there and just forget about it and then make money, because the system will do everything for you. We'll do the selling, we'll do the calling if that's the case, we'll do just everything they need to pull it off, right? The tutorials, the support, and all the things that come with doing whatever the product is offering, right? So affiliate marketing, number 1, is the last one, but it's number 1. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And if you know somebody that will benefit from this video, please share with them. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you taking the time for being here with me. If you want, smash the like button. Leave always a comment below if you have any questions, or if anything. I reply to every comment, and I will get back to you. I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday about making money online and helping you become amazingly relentless and great, and that's my goal to you, and help you be that person. And I just do videos on helping you, giving you ideas, giving you solutions in ways you can go and pull it off. So thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you taking the time being here with me. I really appreciate you. Thank you. Have a blessing day, and I hope to see you next time. Cheers.